Hello everyone, I'm Malik from the DevSamurai team. In this video, I will show you the features of AgileBox and how to use it properly. In here, AgileBox is a toolbox for Agile teams to estimate, prioritize product backlog, conduct retrospectives, daily stand-up, and team health analysis. AgileBox has three main features, which are planning poker, Agile Retrospectives, daily stand-up. These three features support almost parts of a sprint, including the planning poker in sprint planning, retrospective meeting in the retrospective step, and daily stand-up during the execution step. Now, take a look at the agenda where I will quickly show the advantages of planning poker, then go to the Agile Retrospectives and the daily stand-up. After that, we will go to the demo where I show you the way to use each feature. We will end up with the sum up section. Now let's start with the planning poker for Jira. Here we will provide you three different kinds of card decks, including the Fibonacci, the T-shirt size, and the custom deck. You can also create sprint after finishing the planning game with AgileBox. Then with the Agile Retrospective by AgileBox, we provide up to 8 different types of retrospective templates, and also at the end, AgileBox brings you a beautiful report which shows you the general view of the meeting. The last one I want to talk about is the Daily Stand-up in Jira by AgileBox. Here you can report quickly by answering the questions. You can also browse stand-up history to see your team reports by day. Just choose the days you want to see. Now I will show you the details demo of each feature. Before we start with the features, I will show you 2 ways to access your AgileBox. The first is by go to your project and find the AgileBox icon in the left side menu. And the second one is by going to Apps, AgileBox, and you are in the AgileBox home screen. In here, you will see the project option where you can choose the project you want to use with AgileBox. And in here, you will see the teams option where you can create your own team in the AgileBox to quickly invite your team into the planning poker or the Agile Retrospectives features. Now, I will show you how to use the planning poker feature. And you can see on the left hand side there are the unestimated issues from your project. So you can just drag and drop the issue you want to estimate into the pick to estimate column. From here you can have a quick estimation by click on the estimate now button, or you can create a more detailed game by clicking here. At here you can choose the deck types between the Fibonacci, the T-shirt sign, and the custom deck. For the T-shirt sign and the custom deck, you can edit its values by go to AgileBox app setting. And for the issues, you can choose more issues from the drop-down menu or type into search for the issues. After filling all the details, you can click the create button to create a new game. After the game creation, your game will be moved to the games option in here. You can also edit your game's details anytime by clicking this edit game button. Now I will move to the game I just created to show you more about this. Here in the right is the issues you pick to estimate. You can click on each issue to see its details. And in here is the cards to estimate the story point. You also have the live chat function here to communicate with your teams during the game. After everyone understands the issues, the admin now can choose the issues and click the start button to start the timer. Everyone will then pick a card to represent their estimation for the issues. Once the time is up, you will see the average story point window pop up in here. And for the split option, you can split the issue into the smaller issue and decide the story point for each. And in the story point option in here, the team, after discussion, the team can decide the final number of the story point and type it in here. After that, you can submit the issues. After the submission, your issue will go to the game log tab, and you can see here if you move to the estimated column. Now I will go to the estimate screen and estimate the remaining issues. After all your issues are estimated, go to the Game Log tab to review it one more time. And you can create a sprint directory in the AgileBox app by clicking Create Sprint and simply drag and drop the issue into the rest box in here. Then click Create and fill in the details and then submit. And you are good to go with planning poker feature. Let's move on to the retrospectives feature. And here you can view your previous meeting by click on the show completed meeting and choose the meeting you want to see the result in here. To create a new meeting for your team, click on the add meeting button here. From here you can choose the retrospective template by clicking on the template option in here. Just click on the retrospective to see its details and decide which is the most suitable for the team. So after filling all the details, click on the Create button to create a new meeting. Now I will join the demo retrospective meeting I just created to show you more. Click on the Start Meeting button to move to the Reflect stage. For this demo, I was choosing the Dark Keys template. So you will see here is the 4 columns, so the drop, add and keep, and improve. You can edit your reflections by choosing these 2 options. And after everyone is finished typing their reflection and click on the Ready button, the admin now can choose on the Next button in here to move to the next stage. At this stage, the admin group the related reflections into many groups by drag and drop the reflection in here into the grouping column. And here you can type in the name for the group and click Create. The created group will be moved to in this column and you can edit it anytime in here. Now I will continue to group the remaining issues. The remaining reflections will be automatically grouped as the other groups before we go to the next step. Then the admin now can move to the next step by clicking this button. At this stage, everyone will vote for the groups they want to discuss further in the next stage. And by default, each member has maximum 5 votes in total and 3 votes for a single group. The admin can change it in the vote setting in here. So right now I will vote for some groups, and after everyone is ready, you can check it in here. Then the admin can click on the next button to move to the next stage. This is the last stage of the retrospective. You can click on the groups to see its details. In this part, the groups are sorted discretely based on the vote number in the previous stage in here. Here, everyone can discuss about the groups by typing the message in the chat box in here, and you can also create the new issues by clicking on the Add Issue button in here. So right now, we create another issues. So you have just to fill in the details for the issues and click the Create button. So after everyone is ready for this stage, and the admin now can click on the End button in here to end up the retrospective meeting. At the end, the summary screen will appear to show the general view of the meeting, including showing the reflections, the groups, the news issue created in the meeting. And that is the retrospectives feature. Let's move to the last feature of AgileBox, the Daily Standup. First, click on this button to start setting up your Daily Standup. Here, you have to type the stand-up name, and after you filling all the details on this, click on Next, and in here you will see the question of the stand-up. The admin can change it anytime. In here, you can add or edit the question. If everything is okay, click on the Next to choose the participant of the Daily Standup. Then click on the Create button in here. You can start your stand-up by answering the given questions, and you can also attach the issues directly into your answers for referencing purpose. And after you finish answering those questions, here you can click on the Submit button to submit your answers. And here you can see your previous stand-up by clicking the date you want to see, or you can just click on those buttons. To view your team reports, click on the Team Reports button in here, and you can choose the day you want to see the team reports. Now you are good to go with the Daily Standup feature. So those are 3 demos of how to use AgileBox features. This is a quick recap of the 3 main features of AgileBox. With planning podcasts and Agile Retrospective, we provide a lot of templates for your team to choose from. We also provide a live chat function for these 2 features. With Daily Standup, your team can see each other's daily reports, quick and easy. So users and partners could find more resources about AgileBox by accessing the following links in our website, YouTube, or email. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions, just let me know via those links on the screen.